One of the good things about having a rip fence with a scale on here is that you can just set your fence and cut your boards knowing that it's already calibrated and you're going to get a perfect width of cut. But you have to calibrate that scale first. Let me show you how. First thing we need to do is to power off the saw. Then we need to remove the blade guard. Lock the fence up against the blade, but don't push so that you're deflecting the blade. So now check the indicator lens on the fence. It should be on 0 because the fence is against the blade. As you can see, this is not. So just take a screwdriver and loosen the 2 screws, and then you just want to slide that over. And I want that to be on 0, and then tighten those up again. Okay, so now we've calibrated our fence. We can do that on the right side. We also want to calibrate the one on the left side. Just repeat by moving the fence over to this side. Do the same procedure to calibrate that side of the scale.